Ooh, time to show off my ability to sketch a graph, which is bad. I'm given all of this information right here, so I'm just going to draw stuff on this picture and see what happens. At -4, I get 0. At -4, I get 0, so I'm going to put that there. Part A is done. At 6, I get 0, so I'm going to put a dot there. At 6, there I'm done. As I approach -3, from the left side, I hit -infinity. Okay, so what that means is I have a vertical asymptote at -3. So let me try to draw the dashed line that represents the vertical asymptote. And as I go towards -3 from the left, I'm going down. So what's probably going to happen is I'm going to go up here, go through that purple dot, and come down here. But I'm not going to draw yet. I'll kind of wait until the end in case maybe it tells me where things level out or something like that. What else? At -3 coming from the right, I go to +infinity, so that happens. Okay, so I'm going to have some type of vertical asymptote that as I travel from the left, I go down and then hits the vertical asymptote, reappears up here, and something else happens. So check, 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 check. At -4, from the left side, I hit infinity. So that means I have another asymptote. So at -4, I have an asymptote again. And from the left side, I'm going towards infinity. So that's going to happen. From the right side of -4, I go down to -infinity, so that's going to happen. So probably what's going to happen here is I'm going to come somewhere up here, hit that purple dot, and go down there. But again, I'm not there yet. I'm too scared. As x approaches -infinity, I go to 2. And as x approaches +infinity, I go to 2. That's my horizontal asymptote. So I have a horizontal asymptote happening at 2. Oh yeah, also, by the way, forgot to tell you, I don't know why they waited for this at the very end. At 0, I hit 5, which means at 0, I hit 5 there. So now I have everything that I need. Okay, I have everything that I need. I know that in this chunk right here, I level out at -2, hit the purple dot, and then go down there at -3. So level out at 2, hit the purple dot, and then, oh gosh, I knew that was going to happen. Although that doesn't look half bad if I just scooch this over just a teensy. No, just a teensy. Let me try it again. Let me just try it again. Let me just try it again. Let me try it again. All right. I'm not going to edit this out. I'm going to keep it. The more time that I have on these videos, the more money I make. Boom. All right. Now I reappear up here, hit that dot, and then go back up there. So reappear up here, hit that dot, something like that happens. Then I reappear down here, go through that purple dot, and level out at 2. So down here, go through that purple dot, level out at 2. And that's my sketch. I'll give myself a pat on the back. That's not too bad. Not too good, but not too bad. But there you go, sketching a graph when given all this information. Hope this helps.